Good evening, everyone. This will be my last video for a while. This is a remake of my Dr. Nefarious impression video from Ratchet Clank Up Your Arsenal. He's one of my favorite PlayStation villains of all time. He's definitely the most iconic, too. I hope all you other Ratchet Clank fans out there enjoy this video. And hope you all like it. Here we go. Robotic citizens of the Solana Galaxy, the hour of your liberation is at hand! Too long have we robots suffered under the bigotry, the stupidity, the squishiness and foul stench of organic life forms. Soon, all robots will bask in the liberty and equality of my benevolent, iron-fisted rule. And as for you filthy organic life forms, you can look forward to being disintegrated! That's all for now. Lawrence! Okay, guys, hope you all liked it. Have a good night, everyone, and I'll see y'all soon. In the words of Dimitri, peace out, bros.